Just really quickly, this is just an unboxing video and a quick size comparison. Photo and video samples are coming soon. We'll be taking out these lenses to try them out for the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned to see when those videos drop. What's going on, hybrid shooters? It's Jason Vong. So excited to share this with you guys. Sigma sent me a few of their new prime lenses to test out. Yes, test. These are loaners. I don't have the money to buy all the lenses. Well, maybe if I don't go eating for 1 or 2 months and maybe sell my firstborn, but I certainly can't afford the dozen of new prime lenses that they have for the Sony E-mount. Loaners are a great way for me to run all the tests that you and I want without making a dent on my bank account, which is pretty much non-existent right now. Anyways, versus the last time I did have to rent the Sigma 35, 50, and 85 from Lens Rental to do the review. So if you guys appreciate that, the best thing you can do is leave a like on this video or any of the videos that I make and spread the word about my channel. Oh, and if you're interested in buying any of these lenses, if you're interested in buying any of these lenses, there should be some Amazon and B&H links down below. Woo! So these are the top lenses that were requested by you guys that I should try out next from the previous Sigma video. Let's see what they are. Number one, 24mm f1.4 for the Sony E-mount. Number two, 20mm f1.4 for the Sony E-mount. And last but not least, 135 1.8 for the Sony E-mount. Wow, look at this. Fresh inside the box. Honestly, I thought they would have sent me a Pelican case box, you know, like how Lens Rental does it, but they just sent it to me brand new in the box. All right, so before I get into unboxing each of these individual lenses, I know a lot of people are gonna be asking me, but what about the 105 f1.4 Bokeh Master lens? That's not available for the E-mount yet, not until November, I believe. I know the EF one is out already, but I want to strictly test E-mount versions just because native performance is always going to be better than adapting performance. So let's go ahead and just go with this one. Obviously, 20mm first. Okay, we'll do 20mm, 24, and 135. Ooh. Freshly sealed Sigma lenses. Has all the warranties and stuff in here, even though it's a loaner. I heard they ship these out straight from Japan. Smells like Tokyo. All right, got your pouch right here, very standard lens pouch. And freshly sealed. Ooh, it's a little bit warm from shipping. Whoa, okay. So if you've been a long-time follower of this channel, you know I bought this lens, the EF version, like 2 years ago. I sold my Zeiss 35 1.4 just to pick up this lens, but I only owned it for like a couple weeks before I returned it just because, oh shoot, whoa, that just fell off. I couldn't justify keeping it. I was adapting it with the MC11 adapter. The video autofocus was okay. The wide angle lens was just way too specialized for my use at least, so I couldn't justify keeping it. But I know a lot of people are very curious as to how this performs now without the MC11 adapter. So here it is. Here's the 20mm f1.4, and my God, I've never seen a Sigma lens this clean before. Whoa, it smells like new car. Wow, whoa, look at this crazy lens cap. I don't remember this. Huge. Look at the size of this bulbous glass right here. You're not gonna be able to attach any ND filters of any sort on this thing. Probably need to get like some other brand of ND filter for this if you want to use it with an ND filter. All right, let's see how it feels in the hand. Okay, bit front heavy, but that's to be expected. It's a 1.4 20mm prime. Oh, it's so wide. Oh my goodness. Sharp, crazy sharp. Video autofocus is pretty snappy. You definitely hear the autofocus motor, but definitely not as loud as the EF ones because those make a loud ticking noise. All right, moving on to the 24mm. Okay, all right, here we go. 24mm, also brand new. Got the paperwork and everything. This one's already slightly a little shorter than the 20mm. Oh, Wow, okay, already comparatively smaller to the 20mm. This one actually has the lens hood detached. Wow. Woo! 24mm is a good size. Check this out. All right, so already right off the bat, 20mm does feel a lot heavier compared to the 24. 24 goes right into the a7III. All right, not bad, not bad. Feels good on the hands. Oh my. Even though it's not as wide as the 20mm, it's still pretty darn wide. Pretty snappy, pretty snappy. Also makes a little bit of autofocus noise, but again, very controlled over the EF version. By the way, I apologize if I'm making any sort of weird noises, because, oh man, these lenses are awesome! Okay, alrighty. As always, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to go high-speed continuous on that like button. Okay, 135, this is actually one Sigma lens, one of the Sigma lenses that I've never tried before. I don't remember the other ones coming with a little lens pouch strap, but the 135 does come with one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look how fat this is. Wow. Oh my god. This reminds me of the 85 1.4. Let me go ahead and put the lens hood on so you guys can see it in its final form. It smells like Home Depot gardening section. I can't even hold this right. Holy cow. Look at this. Look at this beast. Oh, this is like the size of my head. Are you guys seeing this right now? That's not how you handle lenses here. Oh, wow. All right, there we go. Okay, you know what? It's not that bad. I don't feel like this lens is gonna tear my mount off the Sony a7 III, but definitely you still wanna use two hands. Okay, this might be a little too close. This is a 135. Whoa, okay, all right, it's still focused. Whoa, I didn't even take the shot yet, and it's already sharp. Oh my, this lens is sharp as heck, and everything around it is just butter. Woo, these glass in here, damn, look at that, wow. Okay, let's go ahead and do a side-by-side size and weight comparison with the Zeiss Batis lenses. Now these aren't exactly apples to apples, but the closest counterparts. Now a lot of people were concerned that Sigma is essentially just building in the MC11 adapters to the Sigma art lenses for the Sony E-mount, thus making them look bigger, longer, and heavier. But to be fair, the 35mm and the 50mm are equivalent to the Zeiss 35 and 51.4, only slightly a little longer and slightly heavier. Unfortunately, these sets of lenses here are a little harder to compare because there are no equivalents yet. There are rumors of the 24mm f1.4 G Master from Sony is coming, and I'm hoping that would be a little bit smaller. To be honest though, the 24mm 1.4 isn't that bad at all, and it feels great in the hands when you attach it to a Sony a7 III. Aside from that, I know people are going to be asking me about the autofocus noise. Yes, there is some noise when you're using it in video mode, but it's a lot more control compared to the EF mount version. Guys, I just really want to quickly say thank you so much. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys are giving me on Instagram and on YouTube. It's because of you guys that I feel really blessed that these bigger companies are sending me their products for me to test out, to make informative videos about them for you guys. Seriously, the fact that I can play with these lenses with no strings attached, make the videos that I want to make, and the videos that you guys want to watch is seriously a dream come true. So let me know in the comments down below what sort of comparison videos you guys want to see, what sort of test video you guys want to see, and I'll see to it that you'll get those videos by the end of this month. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.